Alright guys, okay, so make sure you put some penetrating grease in it on this ring right here and also this side right here. And I use a 1 in 16, this one right here. So you just put it right here on the end, it places right here, and smack it with a hammer, okay, a hammer. So I have this hammer here, I'm gonna smack it. So right here it's starting to release right here. Just to smack it more, it will slide off. Alright, after the next step, after you remove the old ball joint, so next you need to clean this part right here, make sure it has no debris in it. And also I like to put, after you clean this part right here, and I like to put a you can use all-purpose grease. I just use this super high temp from Honda. So I'm a Honda fanboy, so I just use this. So you get so you get your part right here. This is your new ball joint. Make sure this is also clean, and also put some grease in it, any all-purpose grease here and here. And after that, just shove in this side right here. Okay, and I will now teach you how to use the press too. Okay, all right. Alright, so if you're using this kit right here, this ball joint kit bushing, yeah. So you use this adapter right here. This is the small one of the bunch right here. So they have a big one and the medium one. But this is the very small one. And you will use the adapter right here with the has the dimple in here. It's like flat inside, and that's about it. It's just start pushing it on. It's easy how to have a power tool, or you can just wrench it too, but I just have a power tool, so it's so much easier. Alright, so that's how you install the new ball joint on 92 to 9500. And so I just put this one right here. So I already got the new lower ball joint already, so I just put in this side right here like that, and this one be on top. Okay, just like this, like that. So put the adapter like this inside. Let's put the adapter right here like this. Yep, and put this top on the topper lower ball joint and just press it. Perfect. This side right here. So this is the smallest on the kit, and this is like the adapter for it. Like has the kind of hollow, not hollow, just has the bracket inside like that. That's just about it. And put the snapper in it. All set. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Alright, bye.